Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the quickest and super elegant baptism card using romantic garden collection from Scrapboys. I really like all the white elements, just perfect for baptism or christening. As you can see, this collection is also perfect for wedding and anniversary cards as well, especially all those white flowers. And I'm going to fussy cut some of them to embellish my cards. And to be honest, this beautiful design paper, this one is just perfect for amazing projects. So, as you can see, it has lots of beautiful papers. And what's really good about this collection, it has two papers with the same design, so you can use it a lot of times. So let's create a card base. I'm going to use this beautiful design paper and I'm going to cut it to 6 3/4 by 7 inches. And then using a different design paper from the same collection, I'm going to use cutting dies from Crafter's Companion, and I put two cutting dies together and I'm going to cut the top and the bottom of my panel. So this way I'm going to have very nice dimension and actually shape as well. So if you have any of the edge dies, this is the best trick you can use to embellish your projects. As you can see, I put some double-sided foam adhesive at the back for extra dimension and interest. And in real life, it really makes a difference. It's always a good idea to burnish it very well, especially when you use lots of layers. Here there is a chipboard from my stash, and this one comes from Laserowe Lover. Pretty old one, but perfect for baptism. And it actually says it in Polish. But before I do it, I've got 7 by 7 inches cut blank, and I'm going to attach the beautiful front panel using my one and only liquid glue. Have you ever created a super quick but elegant baptism card? If you have, please let me know how did you create it. So when this is ready, then it is time for all the embellishments. And I have to tell you, I'm really happy with the result. That is the name of the small girl having that baptism, and I'm going to use my ruler, so I will make sure all the letters are on a straight line. You can use that trick to create your super straight elements, or you can put all the letters of the alphabet on a grid and then use low tack tape. Both tricks work really well for card making projects. As you can see, I use beautiful white card, so I do have a little bit of contrast between the letters and the background. I wonder, what is your favorite color for baptism cards? If you do have your favorite, please let me know in the comments down below. Now, from the collection, I fussy cut some of the elements. And to make it super special, I added some double-sided foam adhesive. And to be honest, with some of the elements, I use one layer of the tape, but on the others, I use two layers. And even then, the card goes flat in the envelope, which I really like. What do you think about this collection from Scrap Boys? Do you like it? Please let me know in the comments down below. And I also wonder, have you used any of the Polish designs or brands in your card making? If you have, please let me know which one is your favorite. So here, as you can see, I'm peeling off the backing of that double-sided tape. If you want, you can also shape the flowers a little bit. And with that beautiful bow, which I think is absolutely perfect for baptism, I'm going to add two layers of double-sided foam adhesive on one of the sides, just to have a little bit extra dimension. And this card is super quick and simple. Sometimes I think the papers actually create those beautiful elements. And you don't really need many special cutting dies to embellish your project. Sometimes the collection are enough. Here I've got another chipboard from Tekturkowo, which I got in Poznań as well. And to be honest, this one is just absolutely perfect for this card. Have you ever created art in white and green? If you have, what collection did you use? Or maybe you've got some special design papers. I'm really curious. Now I'm getting rid of the excess of my liquid blue and it is time to add few white leaves because why not? And they will create even more dimension. And what's really good about some of the elements in this collection, as you can see, they are double-sided. So you can actually put it on the left and on the right. Now it is time for a little bit of sparkle, and I use 6 pearls, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. And the cut is complete, super quick, simple, and elegant as well. There is plenty of space to write your message and it stands proudly on a flat surface. Please let me know what do you think about this super elegant and quick baptism card. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now!